Share your project on GitHub. It is important to share your project on a version control system like GitHub when you created it. This enables better collaboration, version tracking, and protection of your work while keeping it easily manageable. To do this, in IntelliJ IDEA, first open your Java project in IntelliJ IDEA, go to Git tab and select GitHub and click on Share Project on GitHub. In the new window, enter the repository name, add a description. It's optional, you can do it later, and click the share button. In the new window, you will see that IntelliJ IDEA automatically selects the necessary files to be shared on GitHub. The default commit message will be set as initial commit. You can see it. And click on add button. And you can see the message, successfully shared project on GitHub. If you open your GitHub and go to the repository tab, you can see your repository on your GitHub. You can open it, and you can see your files on your GitHub account. That's it. Thanks for watching. You can find all the course materials on my GitHub. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Your support is appreciated. See you in the next episode.